Hello everyone, welcome to today's session. I'm going to have a recap of the things that I've been learning over the past 1 month. I've been doing majorly learning Linux basics, learning navigation, creating users, working with groups and all that. So today I got somewhere online an assessment just to see what I can do and what I cannot do, and at the same time just to try and showcase what I've learned, and at the same time build those areas that I need to learn more and need to practice more on them. So today I have a simple task that has been outlined for me. I've just shown it here. It's a scenario called trip optima onboarding configuration. The task is I've been hired to prepare a new Linux server for Trip Optima's logistics department. My task is section A, creating user and group management. So I have to create groups for managers, for drivers, for the finance people. And then secondly, I have to create users, one of them called Sam, the other one called Alex, and the third one called Jane. I have to ensure that all of them have home directory and they belong to their respective groups. Finally, I have to create one directory. Opt trip optima and contains the shared docs. Finally, I have to give access to each group depending on what I have. So heading on and jumping to the first task, which is to create groups. There are two ways to create groups in any Linux system, that is either using the command group add or add group. So for me today I'm going to use the group add. So sorry for these ideas. Add the first group I'm going to create is managers. Just a minute. It's the first time using sudo, so I have to input the password. Let me repeat again. Let me see if the group is there. So sudo cat see groups. Managers has been created. It's the last one here. So let me create the other group. Sudo group add drivers. Already exists. Oh, sorry, I had another session I was creating where I showcased adding groups, and I think that is the time that I created the drivers group. Let me just see. Move to the last person and the last group. So add finance. So there you have it. You can either use sudo group add or sudo add group. Both of them work the same way. Some are available in Linux in the Debian distros, some are available in the Red Hat distros. I find group add to be consistent for me. Even the same applies to adding users. I usually prefer using user add above add user. So just to confirm again, the kind and the groups that I have. So I have these ones above here, T Kelvin, those ones are from the system. Ben Kelvin, those are the ones that I had created in a previous session. So the groups that I have right now are managers, finance, and I also have drivers that I created last time, and there's also admin and manager itself. So I think I will remove the manager one. Let me just remove the manager one. So the delete manager, removing it has removed the manager, so I should be left with only one manager, not manager and managers. All right, moving to the second part, creating the users. So as I had mentioned before, there are two ways to create users, using either user add command or add user command. add user command is more preferable when you're beginning to use the system and you do not know the flags and the in-betweens of creating a user, but user add gives you more control. So I'm going to create the 3 users. Sudo user add. Flag M is to give them the home directory. Flag S is to give them the kind of shell that they will be using. I usually prefer bean bash. This is for them to use the bash. I'm going to append them directly to the group, which is for some it will be the managers. And we just move these a bit.